Hi everybody, welcome to Mamta Creations. We just finished our total soap making session, and this is the soap what we have taught and made in the class. So now we will put to the participants here, so they will share their experience with all of you here. So hi Deepa Lashmi, welcome to Mamta Creations.
Hello, ma'am.
Welcome to Mamta Creations. How was the session today?
Today its session is very nice. It's useful for me to learn many things here. Then I doing a lot of varieties of soap, cold CP,
Cold process?
cold process, cold process, and
Melt and pour.
melt and pour. This is a face cream soap.
Creamy face wash.
Creamy face wash.
Chocolate creamy face wash.
Chocolate creamy.
You liked
face
it?
wash. Yes, ma'am.
You have also used it. So how you feel after using it?
It's now my skin is so silky and
So soft.
softy,
Okay.
and it's very nice to apply.
Okay. So are you
This one
satisfied?
is- yes,
Yeah, that
ma'am.
is surf powder.
Surf powder.
Homemade surf powder.
Homemade
Yeah.
surf powder.
This is homemade surf powder. This is creamy face wash. These
And
are
this is a cold process.
cold process soap.
Cold process soap as
Sandal.
sandal, beetroot, and this is a kupameni that.
Kupameni, yeah.
Aqua, and this is a charcoal soap.
Swills. Charcoal swills
Charcoal
soap.
soap. This is a Dove soap, and
Picture soap.
Picture soap, watermelon soap, 3D ball soap.
Just turn the ball so that we can see the hard chunks inside.
See.
Yeah, the
Hearts
hard chunks
inside
are
and,
inside. Yeah, correct.
And this is aloe vera
Fresh
soap.
aloe vera
Fresh
soap.
aloe vera soap. Lemon and honey bee soap. And this one is
Batik effect.
batik effect. This is a blueberry and a charcoal mixed
Designer soap.
Designer soap. This is a rose.
Loofah, Changa loofah. Turn the other side.
Loofah soap.
Loofah rose soap.
Loofah rose soap. And this is a surf powder, creamy face wash, and
Bath
these are
bombs.
bath bombs.
Okay. So almost how many items you learned in today's session?
5, 6, 7, 8, 18.
18.
Soaps.
So 18 different varieties of soap and 4 different methods in soap making.
Yes, ma'am.
And apart from that, bath bombs, creamy face wash, and surf powder rebatching. So how we started the class at 11 o'clock and it's almost 5:30.
5:30.
So almost, and we had continuous about 7 to 8 hours of session. Are you happy with the session?
Yes, ma'am. Very
You will
happy.
surely recommend this session to others.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Definitely.
Thank you, Deepa Lashmi, for
Thank you,
choosing
ma'am.
us. We wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Now we have Varalashmi ma'am. Say hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Varalashmi ma'am has come all the way from Pondicherry. Thank you, ma'am, for choosing us. How was the class today, ma'am?
It's very useful for me. And I learned a new thing, bath bomb and this 3D. I like this both very much. And
This
this one, this
Picture soap.
Picture soap.
So in this way,
This
you can
is-
put your kids' picture and you
Yeah.
can send them as return gifts for
Personalized,
birthday
we can
party and
use.
all. You can personalize and do.
Yeah. It's very useful. Overall, I'm
You are very happy?
satisfied. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for choosing us. We wish you all the best. Now we have Anandi ma'am. Anandi ma'am has come all the way from Madurai. So thank you, ma'am, for choosing us. Say, ma'am, tell something about yourself, ma'am. What do you do, ma'am?
ஆக்சுவலாக நான் மதுரையிலேருந்து வந்திருக்கேன். எனக்கு வந்து நான் சோப் தயார் பண்ணி சேல்ஸ் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கேன். எனக்கு வந்து இது வந்து இங்கே கற்றுக்கிட்டது வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. இந்த ஃபோட்டோ இதெல்லாம் வந்து என் குழந்தையோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு பர்த்டேனா அந்த மாதிரி ரெடி பண்ணி கொடுப்பேன் நான். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது இந்த கிளாஸில் இன்றைக்கி கலந்துக்கிட்டதில். நன்றி.
So, ma'am, you are already in soap making business. I think you want to add more products to your catalog, so that's why you have chosen us. So, thank you very, very much, ma'am, coming all the way from Madurai and attending this session with us. We wish you all the best. So, these are the things, viewers, you can have a look.
didn't explain about
Okay. Oh, yeah, tell Deepa, what do you want to tell about this soap? That is whitening soap.
whitening soap. It's look like a face brightness.
It brightens your soap.
Brightness
It is
of face. Almond, that multani metti, that powder,
Kesar and all we
coconut
mixed
powder.
together.
That one we mixed, and rose, the saffron rose,
Strings, yeah. Saffron oil and saffron strings.
Saffron
So,
strings.
skin whitening soap.
Yes.
So, almost we did a lot of picture soap, 3D ball soap, aloe vera soap, honey lemon soap, skin whitening soap, depigmentation soap, anti-aging soap, so Dove soap. So, almost 12 different varieties in 10 to 12 different varieties in melt and pour. and three different varieties in rebatching, and 5 different varieties in cold process, and hot process was orally explained to you. And we have provided beautiful certificates. Could you just show the certificates and the notes if any of you are having?
Yes,
So beautiful certificate is provided by the participants to the participant at the end of the notes, and the notes, ma'am. And we provide notes, basic and advanced both. In the basic, we cover up melt and pour, both basic and advanced. And in the advanced soap making, we cover up soap with rebatching method, MP, and cold process. So this is the whole syllabus what we cover up in 8-hour session. Morning 11 o'clock till almost 6 o'clock it is, 7-hour session. So, and we arrange lunch for the participants. So thank you viewers. Those who wanted to know like how do we conduct this session is also available online and direct. People interested in taking up this session can contact us on 9840724819 or log on to our website www.mamtacreations.com or check our page, Instagram page Mamta Creations, or check our YouTube videos Mamta Creations channel. Thank you viewers for watching us. We wish you all the best, ma'am, and thank you ma'am for choosing us.